Mix primer. Spray, roller, or brush on color-coordinated primer. Allow to dry. Mix the finish for approximately 1 minute. Spray an initial pass left to right or up and down, covering the primer. Small circular motions can be made with the spray unit while spraying. Double back with a lighter second pass perpendicular to the first. The second pass should be made while the material is still wet or tacky. Never allow the finish to be dry to the touch before spraying the second pass. Once the larger stones in the finish begin to stick consistently without bounce back, the optimum thickness has been achieved. Spray, roller, or brush on color-coordinated primer. Allow to dry. Mix the finish for approximately 1 minute. Apply a tight coat of stone mist finish with a stainless steel trowel. Spray a coat of stone mist directly to the wet surface using a left to right pattern, then double back with an up and down motion. Mix primer. Spray, roller, or brush on color-coordinated primer. Allow to dry. Mix the finish for approximately 1 minute. Trowel apply an even layer of Terra Neo approximately 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch thick. With a clean plastic float, lightly float the surface of the finish using a tight figure-8 pattern. Float over the finish lightly several times. This will bring the large mica to the surface and enhance the granite appearance.